Hi guys, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms, back again like I promised. Today I'm going to show you my baby Pixie bonnets that I've been working on, and I'm going to release my patterns. Today they'll be on Ravelry, so by the time I get this up, they'll both be there. So this is the first one, and these are super easy. They're great for beginners. This one I love the little floret that I put on there, and also the little trim that's almost like, I don't know, it reminds me of a tiara. And then I did the pom-poms. Now of course you can leave off the pom-poms. You don't have to put on that trim. There is another border underneath the trim if you just wanted to leave it simple. And then there's the little rosette. You could leave that off too if you wanted. So you could just do it plain. But I thought that was so cute. And like I said, that's what that yarn I got from the Hobby Lobby haul. I mentioned it in the haul video that I was doing the little hat, little pixie bonnet. So with the pom-poms, so cute. Anyway, that was fun. And then I did this one. This I'll be releasing too on Friday. This is a bigger size, obviously. The other one was 0 to 3 months. This, I believe, is I think it's 12 months? I can't remember. Anyway, it'll be in the pattern. But this is plain. You can also add pom-poms to this or whatever you want on it, but it's just like a vintage style. This one is double crochets, basically all double crochets. Kind of a shell stitch, sort of. Really pretty and easy, like I said, really easy to do. And this one is all half double crochets in the main pattern, and the border is, I believe, double crochet, and then these little border, this border with the trim is single crochets and chains. So, and this one obviously has chains. So as long as you know how to half double crochet, and chain, you're good. And obviously single crochet, but oh, they're so soft. This yarn is that classic yarn bee that I got. Oh my God, it feels so amazing. It's kind of stretchy too. If you wanted to make something stretchy, that's at Hobby Lobby. I got that in my haul video for like 99 cents. They're little skeins, but oh my gosh, I love it. It's called Comfy Classic. And this was that chunky baby yarn from Hobby Lobby. The Sugar Pom Pom, it's called. That I got in the haul too. It was like $1.24 a skein. Head over to Hobby Lobby, peeps, and get yourselves some great bargains on yarns. Great bargain yarns, whatever. Anyway, those were fun to do, and I'll be releasing that video today. I mean, not video. Well, I'll be releasing the video too, but the pattern today. So like, share, subscribe. Oh boy, I haven't had a drink in over a month. Maybe that's the problem. On this keto diet, you know, I'm trying to be cool. Anyway, so I ixnayed the wine. But like I said, I've lost 13 pounds. Also, if anybody wants to know about keto, let me know. So I lost that weight like right away on it. And then I haven't lost anything. So it's been a month. So let me know if you guys have tried that and if you had a stall after your first initial weight loss. Hopefully it's gonna work and I'm gonna get like 30, 40, 50 pounds off of this bod, because this bad bod, because underneath there's a curvy, vivacious woman that used to be in there. I think she's been hiding for a while. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on that, if you can. If you guys have experienced that or been on keto, any advice for this crazy lady. Anyway, hope everybody has a great week. Talk to you soon. Over and out. Bye.